So when you talk about content, now, what are the main different types of content? By that, I mean delivery, like video, articles, etc., etc. So to kind of just talk about that idea as well.
Yeah, so they can come in a written form, and that's either long form articles, which is a blog. It's very frequent. A lot of brands do it. It can also be a longer form written content, which can be white papers or case studies. For example, if you bring on an investor and want to attract others, I mean, I guess you could do a case study with someone who's already bought in, and they can kind of share their own input on why they chose you, and that can serve as a longer form of content, either written, or it can also be video, which gives me the transition to video, which is another way to serve content. And that, again, can take so many channels and platforms. It can help you go on YouTube. It can help you build ads on top of it. Video is usually a bit harder to build, though it has been made quite democratic, but by a lot of technology that's been built in the space. I mean, there are so many do-it-yourself video tools out there now that you could really try them out and test them, at least to know if they have the potential to work for you. There's audio, of course, which is what we're doing right now. Podcasts, which can, again, be distributed in so many shapes and forms and channels. And there are a lot of other what we call marketing collateral that you can use. Anything that you put out there is a sort of marketing collateral, starting from your email signature, for example, which is something you can use to promote yourself or what you're doing or your website. There's, again, customer testimonials. There's so many pieces.